Once upon a time, there was a farmer. They plowed their land very happily. One day, a cowboy approached them and started quarreling with their friend for the third person. The other farmers could see the tension in the air and gathered around to understand the situation. The cowboy asked, "Why are you two fighting?" The first farmer replied, "We don't understand each other. He always argues about something minor, while I take everything seriously." The second farmer added, "He never listens to me and that's why we're having a disagreement." The cowboy seemed to understand the situation and asked, "Well, how can you solve this problem?" The first farmer suggested, "We should learn to communicate better and understand each other's perspectives." The second farmer agreed, saying, "I'll try to listen to him and find common ground." The cowboy smiled and said, "That's the best solution. Now, let's go and plow our land together. We'll make a great team and get even more successful." The farmers were filled with gratitude and realized that by working together, they could overcome their disagreements. From that day on, they remained best friends and their land became the most prosperous in the village. And so, the moral of the story is that communication and understanding are the keys to a harmonious relationship. No matter what challenges life throws at us, remember that with patience, empathy, and collaboration, we can overcome them.